While Instagram is mainly a platform for posting photos, it also offers its private messaging system. And like most messaging services, you have full control over which messages get deleted and which get saved. In this video, we'll show you how to delete messages on Instagram. First, launch your Instagram app. Tap the message icon at the top right of your home screen. Now tap and hold on the conversation you would like to delete to bring up the message options and select the delete option. Once you complete these steps, the messages no longer appear in your inbox. Keep in mind that the other person still has access to them. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If you like our videos, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.